Today, I'm sharing with you exactly how to get this white flash effect that you guys have seen probably everywhere on Instagram. And to be honest, I'm pretty late to the game to covering this effect, but better late than never. Now, this effect can be used in any editing software. My editing software of choice today is going to be Adobe Premiere. Before we get started, practice footage is down below so you can follow along with this tutorial with my exact footage. So that way, let's go ahead and jump straight into today's tutorial. Okay, so like I said, we are inside of Adobe Premiere, and these two clips are going to be the clips that are actually going to be down in the description below. So it's this first one of me kind of looking out, and it kind of just, you know, me working out, you know what I mean? First things first, what you guys want to go ahead and do. So as you guys have seen in the intro, I kind of do like a little stutter reveal for the white effect. You can do a solid effect, but I like the stutter reveal. So that's exactly what we're going to go ahead and do. And the way that we're going to go ahead and do that is we're going to drag this piece of footage up, and we're just going to bring it back, you know, about 6-7 frames. It doesn't really matter too much, just enough to really have a good flicker going on. And then I'm going to go ahead and select this clip right here that's above this layer right here, and we're going to rotoscope out our subject. Now for me in Adobe Premiere, it's super easy with the new tool that they added, the object mask tool. Just genuinely select your subject. My hair looks crazy in this frame, but it's perfect. And then I'm going to actually go ahead and add that. Hopefully it does a decent job. Doesn't have to be perfect, simply for a tutorial. And there we go. Let's go ahead and see if we can't add that in. Low-key, it's having a hard time, but not the worst time. So let's go ahead and select our subject just like so. And then I'm gonna go do the track selected mask forward and backward. That's just gonna go through the entire clip, which is only a few frames, and kind of rotoscope out our subject. It's really nice not having to open up After Effects or do rotoscoping. It's all pretty much easy, done for you inside of Premiere now, which is pretty fire. Right click this object mask, change to opacity mask just like so. And as you guys can see, we have our subject. If we play it back just like that, it looks a little funky. It's like, yo, okay. Like we see the vision, but it looks funky. So now I'm gonna go to the effects tab, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and go to the presets. I'm gonna go over here to my viral effects pack, go to the layer effects, and then just drag and drop the white flash in. Now you guys don't have to do this. You guys can generally just go to the brightness and contrast. Really just type in brightness and contrast, drag and drop it, and then go to the first frame and change it to these values. It'll go ahead and create a white sort of subject. I'm just going to delete the keyframe, just leave it as is, so that way it's just all white. And here's what we're left with. Now it's cool, but we kind of want it to be like a white glow. So I'm going to go to the object mask, go to the feather, turn that up just like so. And honestly, that looks pretty good. You guys can play with the expansion if you want it bigger, but I'm just going to leave it actually at 0 because I think it looks fine. And now for the flicker effect, you guys just simply go back 1 frame and just cut it up like so. And I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one and this one, so that way there's 3 sort of stutters just like so, and then play it through. And there you guys have it. You guys have the white flash effect. Now again, like I said, to make the white flash, you guys could just type in brightness and contrast, drag in the values, or you guys can simply just type in white flash and then the white flash in, drag and drop it, delete the keyframe, yada yada, and you're good to go. And since we're on the topic of my viral effects pack, you guys can go ahead and get the best short form editing presets for content creators in the game right now in the link down below at the Takeover store. So we're also editing presets for content creators just like you and people who want to build a personal brand for themselves or their clients, while saving time and I guess making really good content. It's got my LUTs, it's got my audio effects, it's got my camera movements, it's got my slide effects for like my topography, and it's got my, you know, viral effects layer effects. So like just a bunch of random cool sort of saucier effects. Like for example, this sick orange X-ray effect, I could just drag and drop it onto these clips in the gaps in between the two on the bottom layer, and we could create this sick effect in just seconds. So again, if you guys want to go ahead and get the best editing pack, go ahead, check it out down below for short form content creators. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. Genuinely so appreciative of each and every single one of you that actually sticks around until the end of these videos. Anywho, my camera just kind of ran out of storage. So again, like this video. That's it for me today. Take action, take over. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.